Introducing ASUS ZenBook Pro. ZenBook Pro is designed to entice you with pure, unadulterated power. Power to create your dreams. Power to fuel your imagination. Power to do whatever you want to do, anywhere and everywhere. Every part of ZenBook Pro has been crafted to make it faster, more powerful and more amazing than the previous generation, from its latest 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor to its gaming-grade NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics and quad-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound audio. And every detail of its finish makes it even more beautiful than ever before, including its precision-engineered solid aluminum unibody and stunning FHD Nano Edge display. The 15.6-inch Nano Edge multi-touch display of the ZenBook Pro is truly remarkable. Along with FHD resolution and 178 degrees wide view technology, it features an incredibly thin bezel along all four edges of the screen. This super slim bezel is just 7.3 mm wide at its narrowest point, providing a screen-to-body ratio of 83%, so you see more display and less frame. The projected capacitive touch technology of the Nano Edge display has 10-point multi-touch support, so you can use multi-finger gestures for totally intuitive navigation and control. It also supports the ASUS Pen for ultra-precise sketching, writing or annotating. The ZenBook Pro features up to a 7th generation Intel Core i7 quad-core processor with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and gaming-grade NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics. Its astonishing processing power shames most desktops, and its ultra-fast 512GB SSD storage delivers superb responsiveness. It's one of the best laptops you can buy right now. To get one, check the Amazon link on video description.